Hi, we're Travel Tribe ATL. Join us on our journey. We're a family of 6 traveling by planes, trains, and taste buds. Follow our adventures around the world and around the corner. Thanks for joining us on this quick tour of a deluxe room with 1 king bed at the Sortis Hotel Spa and Casino in Panama City, Panama. We really enjoyed the room during our stay. It was comfortable and spacious. We look forward to returning to the room and relaxing between activities. Our room was on the 17th floor. This provided a great view of the city skyline, and it overlooked the pool. There's a small lounge area to enjoy this view, plenty of drawers to store clothes and other items, and a desk area with the room service menu, which we found particularly helpful. The king bed was very comfortable and has nightstands on both sides. They each have a shelf and drawer for storage, and several buttons to control the temperature and lighting in the room. And the plugs match the shape and voltage of plugs in the United States. The TV is mounted directly across from the bed and has some of your favorite streaming services like Netflix and YouTube, as well as live TV. The bathroom is located off the entryway. The shower features a bench area to sit and translucent glass. The sink area has a single vanity. We found the bathroom to be pretty dimly lit at night, and that was our only complaint for the room. The closet in the entryway has an ironing board and several hangers. Next to that is a safe for storing valuable items. The room also has an espresso maker and a refrigerator. In addition to the features we mentioned in the room, each floor has a lounge area at the end of the hallway to enjoy more views of the city. Thanks again for joining us on this quick tour of a deluxe 1 king bedroom at the Sortis Hotel Spa and Casino in Panama City, Panama.
As always, we're Travel Tribe. We hope we've given you helpful info to get out there and travel with your tribe. Subscribe, follow, and check out our blog for more great reviews and tips.